How to change your wallpaper lightning on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your wallpaper lightning on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then click these 3 points in the top corner and click settings, and here you will find the chats. Click on it and click wallpaper, and now all you need to do is just manage this one here, and here you can change your wallpaper lightning on WhatsApp, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.